So now that we have the jar link, that's the vertical stand. This is the Bestand laptop monitor holder, or sorry, laptop holder. It comes in a standing version, so if you don't want to use the vertical format, you have this. So I'm going to unbox this right now and kind of walk you through what's in here. So in general, the packaging is pretty nice. It comes with this handle that's built into the box so you can hold it. Some people said that they like to use this in case they want to bring this stand around. I don't think I'll ever want to do that. And then it comes with kind of this foam on the sides, cardboard on the side, and then like a plastic bag. So it's hard with one hand, but just pull this out. Take off this, I'll just pull it out of the box. So that's the stand itself. Nothing else in the box, so we can get rid of that. And then let me take this out of the bag and show you the actual stand. So here's the stand. This is the top, and that's the bottom portion, okay? I'll just show you the kind of 360 view of it. And it's the same on this side. It comes with, oops, sorry. It's not good to slam this on glass, obviously. Comes with these rubber molds that are actually kind of built into it. It's not just glued on. So that's on the bottom. And then similarly, we're on the top, right here. It's got some brand labeling saying Bestand T1 station there, okay? So that's the stand without the laptop. I'm gonna just put it over here. Here's my MacBook M1. And it sits right on top pretty well. Even with the case I have, there's no issues. You can see it's pretty flush. And then it pulls right open. It does have some rubber mounts here as well, so it doesn't slide. It's sturdy though. And that's the laptop right there. So that's with it open, and then with it closed here. And so it's pretty basic, but does the trick. It's got, if you have cables, you can throw them back there as well, or just slide like a keyboard underneath here. So that's, my plan is putting the keyboard when I'm not using it down underneath there. So that's the Bestand T1 station, if you're interested in it.